Hey everybody, it's your boy Doc Williams, and today I'm going to be teaching you 3 ways to make passive income. The first way is SWAS, software with a service. Now, this is when you're providing a service such as installing a website or creating a community for someone, but you're also asking them to use your affiliate link. Now, this is important because after you're done with the initial build out of their website community, you can keep getting paid by using your affiliate link. This is the same way if you're going to be creating a Shopify store for someone. You can create that Shopify website and use your affiliate link, and now you're going to be getting recurring income every single month. Now, make sure that you check out the affiliate program that you sign up with if you're going to be using Shopify or Podia, and there's going to be terms and conditions, but look for affiliates that are lifelong. So it's not going to be just for the first month or up to a certain amount. Look for affiliate deals where you're going to be making money for a lifetime, potentially, when you use that code. Now, you might be asking yourself, how much money can I really make from this? Well, think about offering a service like creating a website. How much can you charge? Depends. It could be a couple $100s to a couple $1,000s or above. And then when you're using that affiliate code, it's going to be more and more because that's going to be residual month over month, year over year when they're going to be sticking with that platform. And especially e-commerce, there are a lot of different e-commerce stores. Once they stick with it, once they get started with the platform, they're not going to be switching because it's a hassle. So if you create a great website, a great community, they're going to be using that for years to come. Number 2, affiliate marketing. You can be doing this by finding a platform that you really like using, a platform or a product or service that you really like using, and then you go for that. Now, if you're not sure how to get started, you can look for a very specific type of platform or service you like and just go into Google and type that in and then say affiliate. For example, this is Teuto that we use to build streaming services. We can say Teuto affiliate program, right? And so when I type in, and you can do that for any type of service you're looking for, we're going to go past the ads, and then it says affiliate program. And then we can look at the affiliate program, look at the details if this is a good fit. I'm going to be looking at if it's a commission for life. It says it right there. I'm looking at how much I'm going to be making every time that I refer. So it's 25%. I'm going to be looking at how I get paid. I'm going to get paid payments 30 days through PayPal. And that's the beginning parts. Oh, and look at that. It says at the bottom, average annual earnings is $1,300 for every customer you bring into Teuto per year. So now you can start planning out, okay, how many people am I going to refer? How many brands am I going to refer? And then that gives you an estimate of what you're going to be getting per year when you bring them into a deal like this. With any affiliate program, when you're getting started, it's really hard to gain that traction if you don't have an audience built up. So what can you do? Well, that's when I would suggest starting with a SWAS, software with a service, because that's going to allow you to start with a gig job. You can be on Upwork, Fiverr, anywhere you want to get started to get the initial traction and then offer the affiliate. Then you can automatically start building that base. The other option would be look at other communities that are in a very specific niche and offer your own SWAS, and then you're going to be able to get clientele for your gigs and then increase the amount of affiliates. The third way would be paying for other advertisement in other people's newsletters. That can just be pricey, and it depends on if you're starting out and you don't have the money to be able to invest in, for posts in someone else's newsletter. I would probably start that way. And for yourself, start your own newsletter, start promoting yourself, start giving things away for free, and offer other people to be affiliates for you. If you use Podia.com, which we use to sell a lot of our digital products, we'll bring it up in a second. This allows you to have your own affiliate program. So if I'm going to be promoting my own services or anything like that, I can start having affiliates sell my products right here. And I can change how much people are going to get paid depending if they're in like the VIP or whatever I want. So I can have custom commissions. But this is so easy to do. That's another option to really start getting the word out. But what I would do is really focus on what you want to be known for, your industry, your niche, and then that will start allowing you to build around what kind of products and services and affiliates that you can be offering. Number 3, digital downloads. Now, to start out with the digital download, you can have that as a checklist, a resource guide, a template that you're selling. The list goes on and on. You can do a lot of different types of digital downloads. And you can either use Podia to create that digital download, and then when they pay for it, they automatically have a login and profile and they can download it. Or you can be on sites like Gumroad or ThemeForest, which is under Envato Marketplace. You can create different templates or digital downloads and sell it here. For Gumroad, you can actually start discovering what other people are selling, different templates. For example, there's something like Notion, which allows you to organize different documents, and you can do a lot with Notion. But say, for instance, if I do Notion templates, I can start looking at what people are doing. Notion planning templates, product management templates, all using Notion. We see that people are selling them for $99, 45 euros, $99 a month. Wow. Okay, so there's quite a few that they can be selling, reoccurring and a one-time thing as well. So I would look at Gumroad to get some ideas. Also too, if you're into WordPress and you're building websites and you have templates of different website layouts, maybe for photographers, wedding photographers, DJs, things like that, you can start putting up your templates and selling it on Envato as well. For us personally, we sell Notion docs, just like DocStocks. There's going to be a link down below. And this is really a resource that you get all of my popular notes when I'm taking notes on anything. I read a couple books a month, and I'm usually working on something or building something with crypto or with WordPress. The list goes on and on. This is just promising whatever I am learning, I write down all the notes and they get that for free. And so this came up with just seeing if the audience wanted it. It's probably one of our best selling digital products that we have. I didn't think anyone would want it, but again, you ask your audience and they will respond. And the reason they like this is it's a low lift, and anything that they have questions on, such as like creating their own APIs, I have everything consolidated. So instead of looking through my YouTube channel and trying to find it, or maybe it's more detailed things where I'm breaking things down, it's all found right here. And there's going to be a link down below for you to purchase as well, or just to get the idea of how you could be doing it for yourself as well. The next challenge you're going to have to worry about is when people want a refund. Not everyone's going to be happy about your product or service. So what do you need to do? Well, if you use Podia, it's pretty easy. Right when someone buys something, if they don't like it, you can go to the profile and just give them their money back. You can just say refund, do that. Or we use something called Paperform, where it's a form builder. We have a lot of our easier products, really simple digital downloads. We go in and we can just click the refund button and be done with that. And you know, depending on what people are interested in, sometimes we even just offer Amazon gift cards, or we try to understand why they don't like the product or service, but we rather make sure that every single person is satisfied. So, you know, we make sure that we listen and figure out what's going on from there. But it happens. Plan for great customer service when it happens, and then learning what do you need to put maybe in the description to make sure that it's a great buy before they buy it. I would rather have people be skeptical and not buy than people feel like they were rushed into a decision and then I'm making a lot of refunds. So on the product page, we talk about who this is for. We have a section, who is this for? And we have a section, who is this not for? And that really allows people to really understand if this product is for them, and our refunds are really minimal. And I think that really has to do with, because we have it all on the sales page, who this is not for. Now, the last section I would mention, if people are wondering how to create a digital download, you can be doing this just using Canva. Canva, you can start for free. You can create a document, or you can create a presentation and just build out your digital download. You download it as a PDF or an image, and then you can upload it and sell it. So if I'm going to get started, it would be Canva. And then if I want a lot of different options and build out resources, I would probably use Beacon. Now let's do Beacon resource guides, and beacon.by. So how to create resource guide lead magnets. And this already has all of the templates for you. And it's pretty easy. Also, it has a lead magnet creator. So it actually can just bring in your content from your blog posts and create different resource guides. And that's a nice solution if you just want to have an easy way to streamline the process to just sell something that you're consolidating from your website or something like that. And so, yeah, you can use Beacon as well. But again, Canva is totally free to get started, and Beacon is free for the beginning. So you can have the basics, and then if you want the professional, $49, and then agency is $99. If you want more details of what it includes and what it doesn't include, check out the pricing for Beacon as well. Those are 3 ways to make passive income. In the comment section down below, let me know which ones you've heard of, or have you been using SWAS or affiliate marketing? And if you have any questions, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below. I answer every single one of them. If you like videos like this, make sure that you like and subscribe. I put out videos every single week. I'll see you in the next video.